You're chilling with the Zulu man.
Igama ukhohlwa mfazi uziwayidelela indoda umatu bayishiya mkhonto kwaza amazulu and this is chilling with the Zulu man. Insizwa yezisho mfowethu. Insizwa yezisho.
It's your boy SK, my friends. It's your boy SK. Welcome to the channel. If you're new, please press the like and subscribe button, my friends.
Yeah.
Updated about our premium videos. Yeah. We're chilling with the Zulu man today.
Ngibona umfana wafunda esilungweni. Ngibona sisuka nje uthi hayi buka lo wafunda esilungweni.
Our friends.
Cishe kwa rapper no rap. So straight to the topic mfethu yabo. The future of Zulu man mfethu.
Yeah,
Le nto yabo nje mayisuka.
Yeah.
The effect I'm seeing ukuthi I know you can tell ukuthi I know ufunda esilungweni lo noma unobulokishi phakathi mfethu yabo. Something that thina mfethu so baba bakusasa sabanumzane bakusasa mfethu
True.
into esodlula nayo sofika nayo ezinganeni zethu mfethu sofika nayo emzini yethu
Yeah.
mfethu yabo
Values.
ingane yakho mayitshela ukuthi you tripping dad uzo understand ukuthi yewena hey yabo iyocabanga mfethu yabo uzoyazi lento ukuthi no ikanjani ngane noma icabanga kanjani noma sekusiphi stage leso yabo ungalo ukuthi uthi uyayikhukhumeza yabo because language you understandayo ne language odlulile kuyona nawo yabo.
True.
Now future of Zulu man because now kwaZulu sabantu abanomthetho sabantu abazazisayo futhi kakhulu yabo angifuni ukuthi mhlambe abantu abasabekayo because lokho
Kodwa vele we like
yeah
out there as typical Zulu men. But again, it's a story for
yeah
another day.
sinenkani futhi sinjalo nje
Then it's for another.
if isikhuluma ngobani
Thathe kancane.
yeah okay yeah masikhuluma ngoba
it's a good
typical Zulu guy it's ubanenkani
And ngiyasiqasha ngokuzulu.
Huh?
I'm proud.
unayinkani now
Ayibo, la ngiqhamuka khona mfethu ungibona nje ngiyahlini.
sure
Joel kabi.
and being umzulu mfethu it's ngakhulunywa ukukhulunywa mfethu kodwa mfethu kuba umzulu kumnandi mfethu ngisho ngaqhamuka mfethu amantombazane ekhuluma lemlini la
Best.
ngithi sanibonani bomama
Best.
wait something off ngabe ngalelo mama omdala segone mfethu yazi umsuthi lo mama Angibona lo mama
No,
ugqoke kahle umvunulile formal event
Sure.
so ngifuna uminterview mfethu I'm like so wona manjani hey waze nazinabahle besathi lo mama hey we don't understand ngithi mina hawu shothi nje wasengikhuluma ngaka nje awuzwanga ukuthi ngithini athi no ngizwile kancane you say you want to be my Benson oh I'm like how mama sibuye kanjani lapho yabo
Hey,
shothi wazwa lo buhle wacathi ngiyashela
nanokuthi angazi noma ngizozama ukunciphisa esingisini.
sure
Angazi noma indlela esikhuluma ngayo. Okay, I have to. It's the accent or indlela esiportray ngayo
yeah
as the Zulu guys. Because as much as we are claimed the most of violence out of the black tribe, most say that,
yeah
but we tend to be the calmest people you'll ever come across to. Same time, ask kanjani,
Yeah.
khona no glitch. Manje ngiyasangana manje kodwa mama uyaphila. You see, I transition esuka from la
Yeah.
yela.
masikhuluma about being calm mfethu so khuluma nje ngomuntu osebalazwe mfethu osimple ubaba umkhwanazi mfethu the most common person you know but
Exactly.
uyazi ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe uyamphoqa ukuthi abe nesifuthe futhi at the same time
Ngiyayithanda la ndoda mfethu. Ngikholela kule ndoda mfethu.
akholela
Ayingakholela kule ndoda. That's the real definition of a Zulu man ngingasathi ukubheka as kwamanye ama aspects.
sure
Ngikhuluma umnutho ngiyenza. Unizobona ngama results ukuthi kwenzakalani. That's nathi into ezizama ukuyenza ezizama ukuthi shifting from the actual like talking
yeah
into like movement.
yeah now Sinama-Zulu men that are anenkani, sinama-Zulu men that are influenced by I want to say the modern culture.
Okay.
We have Zulu men that are in the middle. Nami ngiyazibeka lapho because mangifuna screw mangifuna neinkabi
Siyafana.
ngizongifica ngeinkabi lapho.
Mina ngiyakwazi uyifaka ngishuthe because
Yeah,
I always have the why thing engqondweni yami. Why
Yeah.
benje?
sure.
Why benje? Yindaba singekho sonke sifana.
Yeah.
So ukuya kwami kuleso space ngiyokwenza homework.
Sure.
Yeah. Trying to find out what differentiates between us sisonke ezuzulu sigcine
Yeah, yeah.
sesiba namasub
Within us.
within us. Yes.
Sure.
So nami ukuzifaka kwami lapha ngiyakwazi mina ngidriphela endlini mina manje ohlala manje amphenduka
Sure.
ikhalathi mina manje ngamuzulu
Yeah.
abantu abangaziyo mina abantu abangazi bayazi la ndoda mfethu
Umqondo.
kodwa for umuntu omunye ongaziyo ezosho ukuthi hey
Mm.
totally different yabo.
Going into the future,
Sure.
should we have more similarities or we should continue to be differentiated as we are?
I think mina kule society esiphila kuyona.
Yeah.
Yeah, leso sesiphila kuyona insuku zokugcina. I believe ukuthi mix with the rich. Isingisa kuqala sasisho njalo. Sithi mix with the rich.
Sure.
Esamanje sithini transition within the modernity.
Yeah.
Iba khona within the space. Ngoba if ungeke uzube khona you'll be left out. Sisayikhuluma lento earlier on. Ukuthi being a Zulu, a typical Zulu man, awuhlukile umuntu osebenzisa u3G isikhathi sa5G.
But what does being a typical Zulu guy mean to us as guys?
Masuyibuyisa lento usuyihlehlisa usuya ku being a Zulu guy. Being a Zulu guy mfethu uyazi ngisikhuluma njengozulu.
Yeah.
Hambe kumkhulu yekubaba. Bese uyamtshela bese uzoyibona lento engiyishoyo. Uyazi ukuthi yini ongamtesta ngayo ukuthi how can uZulu bakhe.
Yeah.
Yeah. But uzoyibona into engisho ukuthi oh okay ila iqhamuka khona ke lento yabo.
Sure.
Ila iqhamuka khona yonke ke lento.
Yeah.
Iyaphi indaba iyabe sekutheleni ukuthi ukubuzulu mfethu yo hey bafethu. Being a typical Zulu guy mfethu. Ifaka inkani la ngena sidinga khona. Le yankani no taxi drive. Lo ngafuna uku-evolve entweni. Wena umile Zulu ukuthi
angibadefend taxi drive. Mangidefend taxi drive. Taxi drive inkani yakhe ayokuthi akafuna ukungena ezintweni ukuthi abantu bangamjoin kabi.
ngisho kona ukuthi but it's awufuni wena ukuhamba yazi mfethu kwesinye isikhathi kuyafuneka ukuba ixoki kodwa ibixoki honest
Njengongizwe.
yeah
Yeah.
ibixoki honest bro evolve but usho ukuthi hey ngimile mina la but evolve mfethu
Sure.
akusiza ukuthi hayi ngeke mina ngafa umchuna ngafuka lalela why
Sure.
because umchuna ulele and umchuna ngeza kusiza ngalo manje sa evolve selapha
Sure.
and yonke into phela egcine ibheke lapha imoto emuyisusu kuyisusa wakho isusu ukuthi irole yemuva
Sure. Yaqhubeka yaphambili.
iyaphambili iyapha emuva so wena uthini umla noma iyaphambili because njengamanje the world is evolving and
Always.
sila
Forever
sikhona
doing so.
sila kwi-podcast njengamanje awufuna ukuba udokotela angifuna ukuba ummeli angifuna what but we here we evolving nezinto asali
Just to point it out, it's an example. I never wanted to be a doctor. Never. Sure.
asali siya evolve because manje masuthatha ukubheka what's the world ngokufuna ukuba ne-profession uthi ngiyosebenza ngisho ukuthi it doesn't work, it work for other people it
Sure.
works a lot sayibongela ezinye ingane abafethu siyabona na-graduate it's beautiful kuhle
Yeah.
but it's still not inspired
Kade usho umthetho wami uthi hey yazi ngani manje kwa amajazi kodwa ayisho lento
still not
ngiyofunda.
inspired
Yeah.
hayi akufiki just
Sure.
jokes but mfethu iyasekuthenini ukuthi indlela umhlaba evolve ngayo yabona mfethu yonke into is going into digital
Sure.
and leyo nto kumele siyibone ngeshift eCovid but everything is going to the digital world njengamanje sino AI no ChatGPT ayikho into ngekuyiswele if unengqondo open towards lezo zinto angisho ukuthi ungafundi, go study.
Yeah.
I totally recommend studying. Kuyimanje mina ngifuna ukwenza i-course next year. I want to carry on studying. Sebenza impela kodwa ngiyafunda.
Engikhathele bayafana. Ukuthatha ibreak kancane.
Ngiyafunda. Angifundeli ukuthi ngithi hayi ngifundile noma ngifundele ukuyosebenza but ngifundele ukuthi mfethu ngihambe ngiyohlupheka kokugcinayo kaMlungu. Game
So
off.
Are you saying the future of Zuluman lies in being independent and ukuba nenkani encane? Nokuba unomkushova inkani la next ngokhona.
If-
Ungayishova la ngamele.
If future yeZulumeni njengamanje ingakho kuhlale kuthi history yes repeat.
Yeah.
I'm a permanent believer of that jam.
Sure.
Yazi ngani? Uyisa komkhulu. Omkhulu were the rich guys. Ababe nenkomo. Na.
Well, more like Coco compared to omkhulu
Yeah.
basebenza ko Hulet.
Okay. Sike sithi Coco, sibele ko Coco. Coco mhlawumbe imasha ngeCrested at the time. Phathi iCrested Coco shayi
Mercedes, my father was rich.
So wenenkomo and kwama peers akhe he was one of the squeal isala endaweni.
Mekhuluma nje.
Kuyazwakala.
Sure.
Modernized ithini unamalini.
Sure.
Iyafana kushifte.
Different times.
Yes.
Sure.
So asingayilahli thina lapha. Asingayilahli shift. Mase usathu kubheka back then. O khokho laba benazo all those livestocks and stuff.
Yeah.
Bro, they provided for themselves laba bantu. Amasi bebengawathinki. Ubisi bebengalithinki.
Yeah.
Umbilo bekutshala la ebaleni. Ugayo ukuphekwe kwenziweni yonke into was within. So njengamanje wena if uthi you're not within, shoot when are you letting your kids go suffer outside?
Sure.
Because njengamanje mina ukuphanta kwami at the age of 40, God ngiyacela bantu uzube nami.
That's a nuts. Yeah.
Ngithi umsebenzi. Angisayifuni after that.
Yeah.
Funa ukuhlala phansi, mina ngihlale ngisho even
Ngami ngivila.
lalela ingane zami nazinebhadi zinomunye baba.
Sure.
Imali yami empesheni noma imali yami retirement fund le ngoba ngiyinayo at 40 abakhohle yona.
Yeah.
Ngiya-unfixa ngiya-investa ngayo eyami it's mine isetshenziswe yimina anginayo le mindset ukuthi mina ngizosebenzela izingane zami because bona ngeke babe ne mindset ukuthi izinto ezetshenziswa kanzima emhlabeni.
No. Asiyilungisa lapha. Awunayo mindset ukuthi uzozipha uzozilethela ngeplate because egcineni kumele uzondle phela.
That's what I'm trying to implement.
Yeah.
Into efike ngesilver plate ongayisebenzelanga you'll never respect it. Sila sikhona sikusebenzile ngakho sikuhlonipha ngakho sihlonipha the audience because azivelanga zafika zavuka ekseni sala.
Sure.
Yabo it's grace.
Sure.
So lento ngishoyo back to the basics. Mina mfethu ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi hayi kabi abanye abakwenza lokho ama life man police nana. Mina okwami ngoyiclaimela mina zonke imali zami. Ngivula ama company. I'm building a scaffold.
Sure. But
Ukuthi mase ngifikile le noma ngiwa angiweli phansi ngiwela la between.
But mohamba futhi ingane ziyasala still.
Zizosala inkinga. Ngeke sale nemali. Zizosala nokuthi
Nizosala nomsebenzi. Uze siqhubeke.
am I going to be an engineer or going to study engineering to engineer
Yeah.
a company ngababa?
All right. Get you.
I like how the Muslim works. I like how the Indian works. Bayibambile le mandate bayibambile mfethu le yanto indlela benza ngayo izinto labantu. Yabo.
Nice.
Yonke into iwithin bona. Hayi ngoba benomola they don't. But yonke into iwithin bona. Khona isistory engangisizwa mfethu within the family. Angisazi kanixolo ba. Within the emgaqweni ababehlala kona as a community ama Muslim. So there's this guy shuthi nayo engakazwakala. Abavezelani ka kunawo ukuthi nginakho awunakho.
Yeah.
Bahlangana bonke ezamajita sendaweni obaba they brought him a car.
Yeah.
Warana ngawo leyo
You
moto
heard that one from me.
wazwa right empilweni.
Sure. Yeah.
Wakwazi ukubuyisela imoto abonke. Which is a good mina personally I doubt ngakwenza. I doubt ngakwenza lokho because ngiyayazi trauma enginayo.
Well,
of a person momnikeza in a silver plate angabi grateful. Sinje abanye bethu as Zulu guys, it's because of the past traumas it's beginning now.
But asikwazi ukuthi njalo mfethu usahleze isikhala ukuthi kanjalo I believe that once you recognize the trauma mfethu you ukuphola kwayo noma ukuyilungisa kwayo going forward sekukuwena mfethu as long as you recognize it hayi ukuthi yonke into mfethu like ngoba mfethu kwenze ukuthi mfethu ngoba kwenze ukuthi ngoba kwenze ukuthi yabo into most ibona ukuthi okay kunje because kwenze ukuthi lungisa ukuthi okay ngoba sengibonileke manje angilungise indlela thize.
True, but as abantu asifani, we deal with situations ngendlela engafani. Kunomunye umuntu namhlanje ose right through the whole podcasting evolution.
Sure.
Ufika kwa use right because there are other podcasters abenza into esenza educating, doing educative topics. No. So asekhona ama platforms ukuthi mina sengiyakwazi ukuya lapha. Ngiyakwazi ukurelate noba. Okay, bakhona abanje ngami. Sengiyakwazi ukuthi okay, fine. Nami, here's the community I belong in. From here to where with us guys. Nabantu we have leaders. Ingakho mina mfethu ngiyayithanda into inspire umuntu. Mina yazi ngihlale mfethu inspire abantu kodwa I'm not inspired by myself. Angazi kanjani. Ngihlale ngizibuza mfethu ubonani lena lo. Because mina mfethu ngihlale ngivuke kuseni mfethu ngicasukile ukuthi kusanje namanje akashintshi lutho yena aqhamuka athi bra wami and I'm like kanjani mfethu yabo.
Sure.
So ibuyela kulento ngisho ukuthi mfethu bro we need to like angazi mfethu
sihlangane get united.
Exactly, we need akumele sisatline angalumi ngizwana because ungakwazi express ama feelings leads ekutheni ukuthi ngigcina ngaphansi enhlizweni it piles up.
Yeah.
And njengamanje guys leyo nto isilimaza ngalendlela ekutheni ukuthi women are victims.
Yeah.
Women are victimized by us and le nto ngekuyenze on a normal state.
Okay. Ukhulume sibuye la. Ukhuluma ukuthi not angisho ukuthi kwezinye inhlanga kwenzeke lezo zibalele kodwa ukhuluma ukuthi ingane zakho ngeke kube kanjani angizwa ngikhuluma on that part automatically did not include a wife yabo. How are we going to achieve that with fatherless homes? How are we going to achieve that with I'm not saying it's not achievable, don't get me wrong, but we have I think a high number of that and sesizijwayezile lokho ngendlela yokuthi ukuba normal kwawo I think dlala indima nake mfethu ekutheni izinto zigcine zizile ndlela eziyona ke manje yabo because now if asiye lapha kushoveni inkani nje ukuthi omkhulu babeshova inkani emzini yabo einganeni zabo emakhosikazi nabo thina sifuna ukushova inkani ezidlangalaleli nje yabo. So now because babe instilla umthetho la abakhona bona emzini yabo now thina sifuna ukinstilla umthetho ekubona singenayo indawo ukuthi su-instille umthetho
yazi enye into ewibi inkinga umthetho size instille kulezo indawo ezwrong siwuthathephi singenabo baba.
Exactly. That's another story yabo.
Siwuthathephi
yabo
because mina umthetho kufunde kumasika emgaqweni.
Sure.
Wena umthetho engwazi
ngama experiences zakho masiya
angafani nawe mfuthu.
Sure.
Ngifice naye traumatized le impilo yakhe.
Yeah.
Hooked up together. Sankauza.
Sure.
So ngakho ngithi
ngikhohlisana ngalo nkulumo enkhohlisana.
Exactly.
So I think that number one another thing the future of Zulu man ukuthi umthetho mfethu sibe umthetho siwufunde from abantu abasedoze yabo because now I think
abadingo baba mfethu
kwalahleka lento ukuthi umthetho mfethu if okay mina ngikhule netama mfethu I don't know ungakhona wetama
ayinami mfethu
So
i-present la ndoda empilweni yami.
so mfethu angazi ukuthi mfethu ukhona already la khona time la so angikwazi ukuthi
Siyafana.
angazi ukuthi mangithi umuntu methi anomuntu osimama uyakwazi ukwenza lokho yabo ukwazi kangakanani because
Okay.
now there are things that already elishoyo noma mase ngibuka manje sengimdanga ngibona ukuthi if lo nto ngangitshelwe already angeke ngingene yabo but because ngangitshelwe itime
ivoice ethi
ngendlela ingitshela futhi ngendlela yokuba umjida mfethu osedlulile esigabeni engidlule kusona ungitshela ngendlela ukuthi ngiyayazi into ohamba kuyona kodwa ungaphumi endleleni yabo
Phela,
ngoba uthi kanjalo
yeah,
kanjalo
ngicela mfethu ukuphulula.
Sure.
Leyo nto ibanga ukuthi oma bethu are telling us those things because ama traumas ababhekene now, not because the actual lesson
Yeah.
of lento yenze. Yena ukhulunyisa ukuthi uzonda baba wakho makuthi ukhuluma leyo nto kuwena ekwenza ukuthi ufeel some type of way.
yeah
Educate to become a better person, but ukutshela ukuthi hey loya wabaleka wena. Okay,
And
mabaleka
then becomes a
ngenzeni
competition.
mayabaleka ngenzeni
Yeah,
ngoba
yeah,
wena
yeah.
ngabe you telling me ukuthi hey ungafani naye. Izama kanje mntanami.
sure
So wena musu ufuna ukuthi ngokwakho you have your own issues ngikhiphe mina lapho. Make sure
stop trying to raise a payback
exactly.
yeah
Exactly.
because now
So basically vele masathi ukubheka i-trend isho njalo it's vele uma bengane balwa ngeingane to their fathers.
Yeah.
So lakudala leyo nto so lakudala. Yabo.
yeah
Which is futhi naleyo nto iyona sigcine isikhoza le conflict nalezinye zeinkinga esibhekene nazo. Because ezinye ingane azibazi ubaba ngoba bengekho. Hayi ngoba decide ungabi khona empilweni engane. But it's because of oma bengane they fighting with kids.
Sure.
Ubaba wengane. It's a different story, bro. Julile futhi le.
Balwa
It's inzima. Bro, you'll find ukuthi siyahlukana sesinengane and all of a sudden angisena access engane yami.
sure
Ithini lo nto ekhanda?
sure
I-stress onobhekana nazo ezumjida.
yeah
And kuyo yonke lo process who are you going to when is it out? Ukhuluma ngaba.
khuluma enkantolo beziphuzi that is the first place where
Besides
you
inkantolo.
are caught
But for you ukuthi ube emotionally okay.
okay sure ngiyakuzwa
We do need abantu esokwazi ukuthi sihlale siyekubonise ngiyazi ngokhala kusibani.
kodwa ke njena ke izingane zizose zibe ish
hlaba mfana
izingane zizose zibe ukuthi kuyaliwa kuliwa ngezingane njena endaba ingane zingalindanga isikhathi sokuthi mawukuthi cause intombi cause manje siphila isikhathi esimnandi mawukuthi intombi uhlangana nayo uyafuna ukuyithinta intombi ethizeni yabona ikhona indlela yokuzivikela ukuthi ngingagcini kube khona ingane yabona uzoze zibe khona ingane njena zibe baze ngikhulumise umngane uzoze zibe khona ingane nje ngale manje ngendlela ukuthi ayi angikwazi ukubona ingane yami kanjani why weren't you using protection in the first place if you didn't want a kid because now from the moment you engage in sex okay there
well njengamanje masibuyise.
Yeah.
Come usukuhlehla but wele move.
yeah
Check ama stats up before nama stats amanje ngale topic esikhuluma ngayo ayashintsha, they are fluctuated. Before there was a trend yokuthi fathers are not there kanje.
yeah
Now fathers are there.
yeah
And before bekunale trend yokuthi we were not educated about these things. Manje is educated. Bheka ke futhi la.
kudala babazi ukuthi ingane mayikhona as much as ngiyithumela imali
Qedile.
uphelile yeah bebazi lokho nje ukuthi
So wena
ingane ikhona hawu ngiyithumela nje imali kanti ufunani yabona
bheka ke futhi kule evolving ukuthi this is deep my brother. This is deep. Bheka ke la ukuthi wena as a guy ulimala kanjani ulinyazi yona yonke the process Cause before there were no fathers. Manje we trying to like cover the thing. Cause now we educated. Umuntu ongathi akazi uyagula ekhaya. We educated.
akazobe ngathandi
Akazi gobe ngathanda.
sure
And ukuba educated kwethu nayike manje lento is yes. Stila kanjani na?
sure
How are we dealing with the situation? How are we handling the situation? Because manje we there and we portray it as if we're not there.
sure
Because njengamanje babengane ngemali. Abantu besifazana understand. Oh, some don't understand ukuthi me being physically there means a lot than me having the money to provide. Mangena
no. I'd like to differ in that case. Because much I don't understand ngesikhathi esiningi but why because number one naturally mawuhlangana nomuntu manje bakwaphela lo fuqufuqulelo onayo ngaleso sikhathi leso ungawazi umvulela ngisho isicaba umkhipha yabona ngalokuthi uzwe anything. Now what happens is that or what I think happens is that ukuthi makuphela lo fuqufuqulelo umuntu uyaphuma because akasena ndaba nalo usimame akasena ndaba nayo yonke into ezana lo usimame yabo and women would keep trying to chase it. Oh okay phela enza ukuthi
but mina sengisholo ngiyakuzwa lokho sho qinisile. Mina sengisholo for the guys who are trying to change the game njengamanje who othi mina mfethu anginafikor
yeah
but ngikhona mfethu ngesimele isitori sami engayiqala ngikhona kangako njengendoda yabo bakhona mfethu labo bantu and they being neglected by their mothers kids awu lo baba wakho uhlale efika akuphatheni ngisho ini hey khona bangabazi why you appreciate ukuthi wena your child is getting to know ubaba kunengane ezingabazi and they are traumatized by leon
njengamuntu wesimama omaziyo akona eliseka wena.
okay we'll get to that but njengamanje mfethu zama ukuyilungisa mfethu yonke lento ukuthi how
Yeah.
are we gonna get there
Yeah
and ukufika kwethu there we need to find the basis
sure
nemsuka yalento ukuthi okay fine yasuka la and we need to like sinqume la and start all over fresh ukuze ukwazi ukuthi kufike la.
well you cannot totally start afresh
Yeah, true.
kodwa ke
Sikakwazi futhi ukuyi-manipulate i-system. Sikakwazi ukuyi-manipulate i-system and mina ngihlale ngisho ukuthi i-system sesigamanipulate ngokuthi us as guys njengamanje if you have a son mfethu hlala kuleyo mfana loyo mfethu uwena loya that's you la muntu representa wena in every way yabo. So ngisho kuthiwa mfethu unestory kangakanani mhlambe ne-OLED or whatever but it's your kid, be there, make sure you're there. Ngisho kuthiwa you're not there but you're there yabo cause njengamanje i-society lesikuyona lo mkhwana zedila nale voodoo dadila nalo nje kulonyaka it's being created by ukuthi ayikho imithetho emakhaya because obaba bekho makuthi bakhona basemajele cause obaba bebengekho yabo.
sure
So iyasekutheni lento ukuthi njoba kunje ubhedila and kumele silungise from lapho going forward.
Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man.
zikulento ukuthi ke kumele kube angathi isikhathi esiningi kungaba umuntu wesilisa ukuthi uyena ufaka isikole somthetho ekhaya because umuntu wesilisa unjani
The bold voice.
unelizwe lithanda uqina yabo.
Yeah.
Kodwa kumina njengomfana because angazi ngilizwe ngaphandle nje momohle nezinsizwa ukuthi hayi voice izokhuphuka njengomthetho yabo. Khale ukuthi umuntu mefaka umthetho umuntu omdala yabo baba omdala baba omncane malume kanjani ngendlela ukuthi mabekhuluma nomfana abaliphakamisi izwi yabo bakhuluma kahle khulumele phansi kodwa ufaka isikole
Inga-
ngendlela right
Ingakho-
emnandi oyiqondayo futhi njengomjeti ubone ukuthi because khona izinto ukukhulukhulu ubone ukuthi yabo le nto kube ngangitshelwe umani noma kube ngangitshelwe uArt ngangengizwe ngalendlela le
Exactly.
umuntu wesilisa ngitshela ngayo ukuthi mase ukhulu ubone iseyenzeka le nto leyo noma sofika leso sigaba leso ubone ukuthi kuyashiyana ke manje
Yeah.
la yabo
Yeah.
kuyashiyana kanjalo futhi singakubeki ngaphandle ukuthi khona izinto futhi ozositshela abantu besimame engeke ziwenzeka umqondo uma usitshela abantu besilisa yabo khona umuntu esimame into akutshela yona ubona kahle ukuthi yabuka ke le ingcono kwaba ngcono ukuthi ngayizwa umuntu wesimame kunokuthi
Leyo
ngizwe umuntu
nto
wesilisa.
in most cases idalwe umuntu wesilisa is telling you the actual moral of the story. Yakunarrate abo umuntu wesilisa ngidlale ngisho a guy
Yeah,
uZulu. Okay, ngizomsusa uZulu ngamabomu. But indoda
sure.
kwisizwe sethu abantu abamnyama needs to be a good storyteller. You need to portray a story.
Sure.
Ukuthi I can catch your attention. It's oza la mfana. Ngikulandise ngokomlando ukuthi hayi ekuse kanje la, yabo. So back to the Zulu guy thing. Kubalekile ukuthi ube a good storyteller. Uya storyteller kanjani? King ngizobuye le storyteller. That's umuntu wesilisa. Umuntu wesifazane, if he wants to educate wena as a son, you're growing up as her son. Nevertheless, ukuthi it's always about the fear of you becoming what she doesn't
Experience.
expect.
Yeah.
Or our traumas, asewaziyo, maybe the fear food that are caused by those traumas, ukuthi ungafani nobaba wakho.
Yeah,
Yabo.
yeah.
Back to lento ukuthi umuntu wesilisa needs to be a good storyteller.
Sure.
What do you? Nice voice. Siyakhuluma iyangena lento ekhanda. Ngeke ingene lento ekhanda ungithethisa and constantly showing me aggressiveness yakho ne-anger towards the situation engingayazi ukuthi mayelana nani because mina njengoba ngikwenza lo wrong njengamanje ngiyakhula. I never knew it was wrong. I never knew. Lo uyakwazi ukuthi hayi ekuse wozala. Oh usuyabhema hlala phansi. Ayila ke mfana wami emhlabeni kuwa no 2 no 2 no 4. Lo hey sikhotheni ufuna kube phara. Yabo talking out of fear nokuthi I'm trying to protect.
Sure.
Kanti lo uyasho ukuthi ngiyakunikeza intambo zilengise. Ubone lento engisho ngeke kube imphumela yini.
Same thing as ilokho uzala phethu ubugebengu phethu yabo because baningi phethu abantu besilisa badala phethu abaphume abalakhosi mhlawumbe ke baboshwa kodwa mohlakana naye nje
Ngekusho.
ngeke yabo hayi lento esenzela wontanga umuntu
Basidakela nje bahlanya nje basijwayela.
ukhuluma ukuthi utsotsi manje umuntu ke manje yena ke kanjani abantu abadala bethu bona uzwe ngaye ngoba sekuthe hayi mina le nto ngeke ngayenze ngangenza into ukuthi kanje
Mina ngangagwetshwa umnyaka and futhi ukugwetshwa emakhehleni akuyona.
Isizwe sabeyamkelile
Hayi bomfethu into within bona le ukuthi
nganganarethelwa mina umunye umjeda yena ukuthi not umunye umjeda umunye urazo nje bethe asika explaining ukuthi wengichazela ngokulokuzana ngokutshontsha kweemoto yabo ukuthi hayi ngisho imoto kanjani wenza kanje yabo and I'm like why ngitshela lento leyo yabo
wenzeni
uyasho bese uyafika uphathe ukuthi lezi zinto lezo sasisenza nomalume wakho yabo lapho lo mjida ngimazi malume mina yabo
it's a pity.
la kudala ngazalwa ngazalwa ngasekho so I was like how so uthi ngitshela lento ukuthi because into hambe iziphinde yabo
Nice, as you've just raised elinye point esevela qhamuka ekhanda.
yeah
I mean,
because now izohambe lento le iqhamuka uyibone la ukuthi I know impela ngathi ngiholela ngala ungavumi lo ukuthi kwenzeka because khona umuntu usiyokwenza lokho and akuphele kahle kuthina yabo engikhombisa ukuthi yabo mina impilo kanje manje ngabe kanje ukube kungenza kanje ngabe kanje yabo.
But into eshayayo kakhulu mina ngibone lento ngisayintwana transitioning to an adult na. I-inspirations ithola ungayitholi kubaba, uyithola kamakhelwane noma uyithola within the hood. Asibeka nje lento as impilo yaselokishini. Mina ngikhulele elokishini.
Yeah.
Yaselokishini. If ubaba engekho ekhaya, influence noma inspiration noma you get inspired by the neighbor, by irazo yasendaweni, and lo marazo they had okay kusakhula ke thina baka marazo ay grand bethu aba grand apopa ngendlela apopa ngayo sure, but njengamanje inspiration esikhona ezintwaneni mfethu it's a pity ibhlungu lento intwana they inspired by impilo engekho abejethi khona
Sure. A dream.
ayikho le mpilo impilo ka 2 minutes emehlweni ini
Yeah.
to fantasize ukuthi si right
Social media kind of like.
elokishini you find a guy ohambile waphuma went into the deep KZN areas waba grand
Wathwala.
wayincukwela ifokof yakhe
Yeah.
came back around in waqhubeka wayimashisela leshande sayimashisayo uyazi uyimashisa kanjani mhlawumbe unekhawashi onani and intwana they inspired ukuthi hey le razi shintsha imoto razi shaya ukotini razi iqoka irebe mind you this zinto ayifiki without even you working hard but bona they trying to like lento ayihlukile nomuntu oku freeway ku 5 lane ufuna ukushaya u10 ubele emuva.
Kodwa manje wethu singakushiya abantu ukuthi abantu bakithi nje bethu into ngicabanga ukuthi nokusibambezela kwesinye isikhathi abantu bakithi bethu umuntu makwenza into enhle nje bethu noma wenza into engathi yenzeka hayi hey uthwele makwenza into engathi yenzeka hayi wenza ukuthi hayi ngoba uhamba nobani
istigma into esinayo leyo sabantu abamnyama because thina sa instilwa lento kuthina ukuthi ni right labo forum
izinto ezindlela zisifanele mfethu izinto ezinhle hayi
ni right go forum you cannot afford a 21 million mansion kanjani 12 come on
yabo
lohlanu ku forum sisherisha na umpompo sihlangana kanje njalo ekseni usuku 21 million mansion uhamba ngemoto 6.7 million shit thathile lento wena kwazi
yabo
because isakutheni lento ukuthi sinje because of ama role model esinawo besides our fathers out of our fathers abangenabo baba nabano baba abangaba inspirish because yenzeka le nto yaba khona abisidindi phambi kwakho thothi inspire omunye umuntu ekhona true
yeah
it happens my guy, it happens, trust me, it happens. Le inspiration iyasekutheni ukuthi yonke le process ayinayo ivar phakathi align ngokweqiniso because kunje amarazo they portraying enye impilo while suffering at ngaphakathi and badayisela intwana impilo engeyona instead of educating intwana ukuthi guys continue going to school nizame impilo engcono. This is not the life. You may look and see as if it is the life. Hey, it's not my guy. Yabo. Cause intwana njengamanje ngeke ngibone mina intwana 13 14 15 as inspired idlule 7 mfethu idlule VR6 yamela ibrazo idlule mfethu 63 idlule zonke lezi imoto ezithandwayo. Yayibona intwana zi inspired kodwa they do not understand what's happening behind the scene. What actually took the khutman to be there?
yeah
What's happening behind that khutman?
So in conclusion
siyawadinga amarazu azodala iqiniso ezintwaneni.
right?
Ileyo nto mina ngiphetha ngayo, we need abantu abazi-inspire ngokuyikona kona, not nge-drip, not ngemali, ngama-values and morals.
Sure.
Put aside ukuthi you have money, put your aside ukuthi you have whatever you have.
Yeah.
Awuze as ubaba, ufika njengobheka nokuvusa umuzi, hlala la phansi sixoxeni nomandla, anime nobaba kuthini.
Yeah.
Uyeke ukuthi
Yeah, because khona abantu abashare leyo mali la because abemali laba kusuke kanjani.
yeah, but sengizama ukuyibhanga
kube khona bethu abantu abanjani bethu abantu abadala kuzokuthiwa intwana ayihloniphi. Kuthiwa hayi iyangisahloniphi nina kwasha kwacima kanjani. Kwe khona bethu abantu abadala umuntu emdala mfethu uqhamuka ngomqondo kumhloniphi njengokuthi hayi ubhuti omdala eprirazo mfethu umndaba la khombisa akubulova mfethu yabo mhlawumbe umunye umbingilele yini njani bhuti oninjani baba yabo
sho la.
oh mfethu awe machiti akamba kanjani
Leyo nto
Hawu, mfethu.
I want us to do an episode ayiyodwa.
yeah
Iningi
yeah
and mase si unpacker, you'll see ukuthi hey, there's a lot going on.
sure
It involves back ngalesa sikhathi apartheid na. Yazi kwenzakalani? There's a gap eyabashaya thina engasishayanga. Le gap transition from a teenager to an early adult.
yeah
Yabo. Bona abe experience anga njengami now.
sure
Ayifika ngakubona kanjalo njengami now. Bona it was like school elokishini yadodo.
mzabalasi
School
yeah
dodo.
that's a topic for another day though.
Yeah.
So, must conclude that on that part, we need obhuti abadala noma obaba ukuthi babe obaba
True.
badlale leyo ndima le yokuba kanjalo with ama values, not with money, not with flashy
Into
lifestyle.
esiyidingayo nje thina it's morals, values.
Yeah,
And mina angifuni laba aba right.
yeah.
Angifuni mina umuntu o right
Onjani alright?
or perfect.
Akekho perfect but
Yeah, but ozothina perfect. Mina ngifuna lo mina who has been neglected somewhere and wants an opportunity to
to prove
start
himself.
all over fresh.
That means you want a person who's been
Yeah, let's do that. I mean, I'd like to
also show
reunite
impilo.
baba nengane zabo.
Well, that is not my
I'd like to like somehow some way ngayijabulela leyo nto.
yeah.
Because khona engenzeka khona igap engazama as much as ingeke ivaleke kumina nawe.
Ukuba united noma ukuthi kuzwe istory sabo.
Yes, umuntu ezo-story sakhe nomunye ezo-story sakhe and as much as into yami nawe ngeke isalunga but anga-affecteke ingane zami ngenxa yami.
But then it goes up at mhlambe 20 years, 15 years later.
It's fine.
Affectekile man.
It's fine. It's affected kodwa. As much as ngeke ngisalungisa kona usumdala. Let me do it lapha. Khona nje ngibuka nje bethe uKevin Hart. Wayichaza ngayilalela and I was like, okay, this takes umuntu omatured ngempela ukuthi afike lapha.
Uthini?
Kevin Hart said, shuthi angazi, okay, ngizoyikha phezulu. Ngazi nobaba wakhe babengena ukuzwana.
Oh yeah.
So he was like, kunokuthi ufocus kumina, I've already outgrown that stage. Focus lapha na. Uyibumkhulu enganeni yami.
Sure.
Yeah. Ufuna kuba baba ibubaba lapha. Mina khohle mina nawe we cool. It happened, shit happened, say right. Ang move on. Wena focus lapha. Ngitshengisa lapha ngempela ukuthi you really mean ukuthi you still want to be in my life.
Sure.
So yeah. Ilogo, that's what
So that
all for
means-
today. All
That
for
means-
today. all
No,
for today.
not all for today as yet. In order to achieve that, because now sesikhuluma kakhulu ngokuthi obaba kumele babe khona kumele babe present. That is the future of, because mengibuza ukuthi what the future of Zuluman, or that is what I said the topic is. Because now we're saying the future of Zuluman should include more present fathers and more guys
Cultural
being
values,
present with values more than
morals.
just being present, flashy money and stuff like that. That's the social media life.
Ama-values nje bafethu into esiyidingayo.
And then values. Let's speak about values.
Yeah.
Ngendlela yokuthi
Into esiyidingayo.
oh, another thing, wait. Because uma ufunde ama-values from umuntu wesilisa omdala nje kambe ufike ama-values okuthini ukuthi ukwazi ukuziphatha wena, ukwazi ukuzilawula imizwa yakho mfethu, yabo. And
True.
ungabi kahle kuhamba hamba kube kubeni isoka. Ubusoka ke busho ukuthini? Busho ukuthi mangingachaza nje ngibuke phezulu ukwazi ukusho into not right, kodwa ukwazi ukusho into ngendlela ezozwakala kahle, noma ungazi ukuthi izenzo zakho noma ngabe
It's sugar coating.
azinhle, yabo, kodwa ukwazi ukuthi zikwazi ukuthi zilaleleke umuntu mawusichaza ngendlela
sugarcoat.
yokuthi no mhlambe sibambane ngamawashing la, ungabe ukuthi ayivele sabambana nje kube khona ukuthi kusuke la kwasuka la bese kumele ke kufike lapho, yabona. Kodwa khona la ngihambe ekumele kuhambe kungafiki khona. I'm going kuphi on the issue of GBV and stuff,
True.
because now
Ngingayiraise le earlier on.
I don't want to say no, I want to say
Say it.
ibe nobushimane phakathi mfethu.
True.
Uhambe ibe nobushimane
True.
mfethu, because if umfana ukhula mfethu uzabantu besilisa bekhuluma, yabo, into abayiqhuba phambili uthi no ngabe wenzani, ungavumeli imizwa yakho ibanjwe uthando kuphela, yabo. Ingavumeli ibanjwe uthando kuphela, because meko wenze njalo ikubulala inkani leyo nto. Meko kubulala inkani leyo nto usho ukuthi usulahlile umthetho wena.
Nanokuthi-
Ulahla umthetho, izinto masingazihambi ngendlela ofuna ngayo usubona ngathi udayisekile usuyalo.
Yes.
Yabo.
Nanokuthi lento mfethu feza azokhuluma ngelinto. Lento it's caused by ukuthi and into mele siyivala, so izovalwa into sizokhuluma ngayo going forward, the whole podcast thing evolve us being present kanje mfethu. Mina ukukhuleni kwami angicave ihotman lami. So sikanjena ke nensephe yami. So ngikhule mfethu aligna indlela zakhe besihamba na ezinye zazo. And inspiration of understand ubusoka ngayithola at a very early stage, because uyambona umuntu yasheshe yami, yabo, ibhizi, yabo. And now you understand ukuthi ekubeni kwakhe busy ke ubile no wrong wa correct lapho nalapho, kodwa mfethu uyabona ukuthi kahle kahle ngokwakho uyakutshela ukuthi enza ukuthi, kodwa mfethu kanje, yabo.
Yeah.
Kwazi ukuthi into maseyiqalile imele makuthi wena uzokumela ukuthi la nala kumele ngendlela kuyiyona, yabo. Back to lento ngisho intwana they looking zifika vele with an heartbroken heart la ifika khona serious.
Singabeka intshela kupha because baningi nabantu abadala mfethu who do the same thing.
Umuntu aqhamuke nemthwalo yakhe, says stories blah 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 blah. Realistic asisho ukuthi ku-wrong, ku-right, there's effects. Khona abantu aba-traumatized empilweni, khona abantu abakho right, khona abantu abashaya ama-past traumas. It's a lot going on, but sengisho ukuthi indulging yourself into a relationship nomuntu kuze kufika to that point ukuthi sekusparka kuvuka into zakudala nini la, it's a whole nother thing. Iya ku-GBV lo nto ukuthi akwazi ukuthi mfethu ungathi yo mfethu mina understand how do you raise isandla or come to a conclusion ukuthi ayingamnyathela ke manje
asingayibeki mhlambe sibe mhlambe kubantu besimame kuphela lento nakubantu besilisa nje
Exactly.
ngeke uthi sihleli nawo siyinsizwa ngeke kubona nezinye insizwa mazikhuluma kodwa hey bona akuliwe hayi
ama traumas kuliwe lana
kuliwe lana
asikwazi ukuhlala phansi sikhulume kanje
ngoba uzolwa sikushaya
ngidlale kubatshela njalo
ngoba uzolwa sikushaya
Ube nenkinga.
kuthiwa hayi nahlukumeza ubani azamhlukumezanga uyena owafika wezwa ngokulwa sabe samkhombisa ukuthi lento ayenza ayikho yinhle yabona
mfethu
so
it's
and
a
all
lot
those bad things ukuthi
mina I'm like
mfethu,
konke
intombi
discussion
yashelwa mfethu number 1 that's another thing mfethu intombi yashelwa mfethu
true
eh
true
ziyaqoma ezinye azivuma mfethu yabona amukela lapho mfethu
yeah
udlulele kwabanye
But-
mfethu nani futhi enye mfethu abafethu kwekufika isikhathi ukuthi I think wonke umuntu uto understand leyo nto kwekufika isikhathi ukuthi kambe izinto ziphela ungazi ziqedwa yini ungazi ziphele kanjani
yaphela mfethu wasemhlabeni kosala emhlabeni mafuthu
yawo hawu volufu kwesowaliwe
wasemhlabeni kosala
Bonini
emhlabeni
madoda hayi angunanga ngalo mfethu there's no need to fight yini isixabanisa abantu lapha
wasemhlabeni
kodwa if irazo bekhona mfethu noma amajita amadala bekhona mfethu kuze umuzo wokuqala hawu lana nto mebonayo ukuthi wona leyo kuphela
uyahlekwa nje
yabona
uyahlekwa nje
yabona akubuze hawu ibe lento mawukhuluma ngaso endaweni yokuthi ayigcina ngenze njani kuyona hayi phela khuluma kanje uthole hawu mfethu ukuthi sungaze mfethu sikhuluma
Yazi.
indaba ukuthi abekho abantu wonile mfethu manje na
abanye mase kuthiwa siyahlela sibuyele kulento obusoka aboma nobusoka phakathi and if leyanto ashishwa ibamba hey mfethu it's easy to work your way out ezinye izinto
yeah
because like ezinye isikhathi zazenzakala lezi zinto it's just there being a chin nice guy Zulu guy sanibona niyaphila and automatically khona leyo erection sevele yenza wazi nawe kanjani
yeah
so you cannot say lapho ufukulo era yobusoka ungaphinde ube ngala ayingeke so that's why ngala ngithi ay
inkinga
salidinga usizo kulolunye uhlangothi
inkinga mfethu ngobushimane
Siyabathi-
ubushimane bethu
Siyabathi-
noma ngabe uyisoka mfethu siyafika isikhathi la kusa usala khona enkulumeni noma wenza into nje ubona ukuthi hey yabo ngeke kwenzeke ngobushimaneke lapha
yeah true
kodwa futhi manje we cannot save ubushimane bethu yabo awukwazi ukumsusa umuntu ebushimaneni ngalo ukuthi yena aze abuthole yena ngaphakathi kuyena yabo kumele kube into ayibona yena ngaphakathi ukuthi hey yazi bengifisa izinto zami zenzeke kanje
Azenzeki.
kodwa akazenzeka kanti bese
True.
afuna ukuthola imbangela ukuthi yini singenzeka kanjalo
Yeah.
ilapho umuntu kwesebona ukuthi yazi ngasikhathi ngithi lapha kule ntombi leyana yathi yona bekumele ngabe ngithembe
Yeah.
yabona kodwa umuntu because noma ungamtshela wena ukuthi hayi mfethu kumele ukhulume kanje mengako kubona lokho yena yabo ngeke alibone iphutha
yeah
yabo so into emele isuke ngaphakathi kuyena ayibone bese azama ukuyilungisa u can't save ongeke umsusa umuntu ebushimaneni yabo mesathani kuba shimane usathana noma ngingenazi isiqiniseko ukuthi khona othandayo
I doubt
no ngingenazi
kodwa
isiqiniseko ukuthi khona othandayo
It happens.
umuntu mabusakhona kuyena engakobona
True.
noma engakombuleleki
yeah
ayike into ongayenza ngalokho kodwa kwenzekalani futhi ukuthi umuntu ebe nephutha okay not nephutha umuntu izinto zingahambi ngendlela yakhe uyabona etshela ukuthi hayi izinto azenziwa kanje noma kukhulunywa kanje kumele ngabe ukukhuluma kanje afuna ukwenza izinto ngendlela ehlukile yena ngoba yathini ngendlela ukuthi yena ufuna ukuzibanga ngendlela ukuthi ungcono mhlawumbe kunabanye yabona
ingakho mina to conclude the whole
Yeah.
topic here namhlanje and the whole conversation that we had, it was just it was an interesting conversation, by the way.
Yeah.
To conclude, guys out there, sendinga bobaba dlalani indima empilweni zethu, be there, siyabadinga abazofika and approach us to try and educate more of the guys, because not ourselves, as much as we're educated, we're not educated enough.
Yeah.
Sayidinga guidance. We do need umuntu ozothi ngokubamba isandla kujekisa indlela. Siyabadinga labo baba. If bekhona, avail yourself. It's about time asizeni intwana. Asizeni
Asifunayo
oputbethu.
ukusizwa out there futhi.
Yeah, true.
Asifunayo
Sizoyisizayo. Sizeni intwana, sizeni oputbethu, asizeni abafowethu. Asisizeni nathi, especially ourselves, because along the journey, now we're going to show you and unfold and discover more things you never knew. So let's try and indulge ngale education esi-instilla kwama out.
Not okay,
Asibeni
let's put it as values.
Yeah.
Modern education, yeah.
Yeah, it's values. Let amakhotman come out. But I say ntwana, let's meet, let's do it. Show how it goes. Wozani, okay, there's programs, there's this for this. Zame mfethu sibe na what's his name, mina ngikholelwa ukuthi ngingahluleka ngizamile.
Sure.
Yabo. So yeah. Kuwo konke as we trying to like shape and rebuild the Zulu man.
Yeah.
And abafana ba-understand ukuthi what it's actually to be a Zulu man.
Sure.
Sendinga my time.
Yeah, another thing, because makhona umuntu wesilisa mfethu noma nje ukhula nomuntu omdala mfethu usekwadlula okay, because indlela idlula la value yathi stage sokuthi
And ibuzo kwabaphambili.
yeah, stage sokuthi look, I forgot my point right now.
La.
Bangifuna ukuthini mfethu.
Ibuzo kwabaphambili indlela ntatha. But ke yeah.
Yeah, chilling with the Zulu man.